Start a digital marketing program, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Actually, it has been a lot of fun, but I started because if you're like me, I have not saved for retirement, not nearly enough, and I have some debt. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Kim. I'm a mom, a nana, a self-employed bookkeeper, and an entrepreneur at heart. Being self-employed, I have not had the opportunity to have an employer who had a retirement plan and could contribute or save money for retirement. So, digital marketing is going to be my ticket to an early retirement. And I have found a program that is absolutely beginner friendly. It comes with 4 programs that have master resale rights to them, so you can sell them for 100% profit. It is very, very easy to get up and running and started. It is a step-by-step program that they literally hold your hand through getting everything up and started. No tech required, no following required, no experience required. It really is that easy. So, if you're interested in learning more about this program or learning how you can start to save for retirement or pad your retirement if you're already retired, then drop me a comment or click the link in my bio, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have.